American School Textbook, Prek 1. Chapter 1. Social Studies. History and Geography. Unit 1, Seasons and Weather. Match each word with the right picture. Cloudy. Sunny. Rainy. Snowy. How's the weather? It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is rainy. It is snowy. Match the word with the right picture. Rain. Snow. Hot. Cold. How's the weather today? It is raining. It is snowing. It is cold and snowy. It is hot and sunny. Seasons. Match each word with the right picture. Spring. Summer. Fall. Winter. There are 4 seasons. They are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring is warm. Summer is hot and sunny. Fall is cool.
Winter is cold and snowy.
Match each word with the right picture. Grow. Change. Fall from. Leaves. Tree change with each season. Trees grow new leaves in spring. Trees have many green leaves in summer. Leaves change color and fall from tree in fall. Many trees have no leaves in winter. Do you like summer or winter? I like summer. It is hot in summer. It is sunny in summer. I like hot and sunny weather. I like winter. It is cold in winter. Snow is everywhere in winter. I like cold and snowy weather. What does each picture show? It is rainy.
It is snowy.
It is warm. It is cool. Circle the correct words.
Trees grow new leaves in spring.
Leaves fall from trees in fall. Summer is hot and sunny.
Winter is cold and snowy.